I'm Alex, I'm one of the vets here at Yass Vet. We're out here today at one of our clients, Peter, to ultrasound and pregnancy test his cows. We can use the ultrasound to test from 5 to 6 weeks of pregnancy. Manually we can do them from 6 to 8 weeks. The reasons that we might preg test our cows is to identify non-pregnant females and allow the producer to make management decisions about those females. Sometimes in times of nutritional stress or where we have failure of the bull, it places a lot of stress on the management system and decisions can be made about where each of those cows might go or how they might be managed nutritionally.
Hi, my name is Stuart Williams. I'm one of the vets at Yass Valley Veterinary. Here I am demonstrating pregnancy ultrasound in these Angus heifers. These heifers are from 6 to 13 weeks in calf, which is an ideal time to scan them. At that stage we can pick up the pregnancies easily because most of the pregnancies will be in the pelvic canal here and they're easy to identify. Scanning them at an early stage allows us to identify the early and late calvers, and if the producer wishes to draft the heifers into 2 mobs for management purposes, they're able to do that. If we preg test later than that, say after the 4 months, it's not as accurate as a pregnancy ultrasound less than 12 weeks, and it's much more difficult to do. So this is the ideal time, 7 to 13 weeks for ultrasound pregnancy testing in heifers. It's important that as a producer that you have a safe crush for us to preg test your animals in. Ideally with heifers we don't like to catch them, we just have them standing free in the crush. It's important that they have a safe kick gate behind them. Unfortunately our machinery is worth a lot of money and we want to make sure that we don't damage it. So ideally a strong, safe crush is ideal for this procedure.
When we're out manually preg testing these females, we tend to do them a bit later, anywhere from 8 weeks onwards. We certainly find it quite hard when they're later in their gestation to scan it to see that fetus, and it's certainly a lot more labour intensive. The best thing that we can do is get onto these girls earlier so that we can make those management decisions for the producer, or they're allowed to make those decisions for themselves. When we're feeling in here, there's a few signs we look for a fetus. We might not feel the actual fetus itself. We get what's termed a membrane slip between those layers in the placenta. We feel cotyledons, which are the little membrane bundles between the mother and the calf that will develop.
This heifer I've identified as not being in calf. We're able to get her out of the production system now. She won't be productive, she won't raise a calf next year, so it's better that we sell her so we don't have to feed her for the next 12 months without her producing anything. So already the producer has got benefit from us coming out here to preg test his females.